Look at this, just came in. It's a 1966 Chevy Impala Super Sport. Yes, I decoded it. It is a Super Sport. It's a real SS. Beautiful car. There's a rebuilt small block, 400 in there. It's a 400 cubic inch small block. Bought out. Custom TMI interior. Turbo 400 transmission. Custom gauges. Look at how beautiful this car is. Absolutely beautiful. Listen to that 400. It sounds great. Wow. She runs down the road great. Just had her out.